Here's this app called Status Chat with your favs. So this is kind of like character AI or talkie app where you can just chat with AI characters. But the thing is, with this app, you specifically can install a widget. So yeah, either a home screen widget or lock screen widget. So just go here, create persona, create your chatbot, and then just add the widget. Uh, so now you can just add it to your widget, and then just to install the home screen widget, tap and hold, tap plus, and then just search for status app. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear yet. Maybe you should restart your phone. I should restart my phone, or there should be some time after I install the app. So yeah, that's probably that's what it is. Um, so yeah, but pretty cool.